2.25 times 100 all over 15. Someone might choose to solve this like this: 2.25 times 100, and then begin to use the long multiplication method. But this will not save your time at all. Let's use the method with the fastest route. We simply need to remember that when multiplying by the power of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, and so on, we simply need to move our decimal point according to the number or the power of 10. In this case, we are moving it twice because this is 100. So if this is 2.25 and we need to move this twice, it simply means it becomes 1 and 2. So this number becomes 225 over 15. Because 2.25 times 100 will give you 225. You can punch that in a calculator if you want to confirm, but I tell you for a fact that is the answer. So 225 divided by 15 gives us 15 from the knowledge of squares and square roots. 15 times 15 gives us 225. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tips.